Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I will solve the quiz. First question is write a program to sort an array in ascending order. From array import static. First we create array. Two, 1, 5, 8, 0. Now sort this array. We use nested for loop to sort this array. Find range length of array for j in range. We start from I plus 1 because when the value of I is 0, the value of j should be 1 because we compare 0 and first index number until length of ARR. Now if I greater than ARJ, swap these values because we want to sort this array in ascending order and the smallest value should come first. Swap equal to ARI, AR of I equal to AR of J. Click on the I button to watch video about swapping, how to swap two numbers. Now print to check. Here you can see we sort the array in ascending order. Now set a breakpoint here and debug the code to check how it runs. Enter F8. Now the array is created. Now the value of I is 0 and the value of j is 1. Check the condition. The condition is true because the value that is on the 0 index number is greater than the value that is on the first index number, and then swap these values because we sort the array in ascending order and smallest value should come first. And it again repeat the process. Now the value of j is 2 and check the condition. Now the value of j is 3 and check the condition. After completing the iteration of the inner loop, the smallest value come first. It repeats the same process until all the array is sorted. Now the second question is write a program to reverse an array using built-in function and without using built-in function. We will reverse the array using built-in function arr dot. We use the reverse method. Now print to check. As you can see, we get reverse array. Now we reverse array without using built-in method. We set starting index 0 and ending index length of array minus 1. If the length of an array is n, the index number is n minus 1. That's why we use length of array minus 1. Because the length of this array is 5 and the index number is 4, 0 to 4. In this method, we swap 0 index number with last index number and with first index with second last index, while s less than a. swap equal to ARRS. ARRS equal to ARRE equal to swap. We increment in S and we decrement in E. We set this condition S less than E because S is the starting index and E is the ending index. When the value of starting index is 0 and ending index is 4, it swaps these values. When the value of starting index is 1 and ending index is 3, it swaps these values. And when both starting and ending index is 2, it stop the loop. Now print here you can see we get reverse array. Now set a breakpoint and debug the code to check how it runs. Enter F8, the value of S is 0 and E is 4. The condition is true and it swaps the values of 0 and 4th index number. Here you can see now the array is 0, 1, 5, 8 and 0. Now the array is 0, 1, 5, 8 and 2. Now increment the value of S and decrement the value of E. Now again the condition is true and it swaps the value of 1 and 3rd index number, 1 and 8. Here you can see now the array is 0, 8, 5, 1 and 2. Now both the value of S is 2 and E is 2 and the condition is wrong, and now print the array. Now the third question is create an array with 5 values from user input, then delete the value from 3rd index number using built-in method and without using built-in method. Now create array from user input. For I in range 5. Enter a number. AR.append. Now first we delete the number from 3rd index number using built-in method. We use pop method to remove the number from the 3rd index number. Here we enter the index number. Now print AR. Now run. I enter number 4, 3, 1, 6 and 7. Here you can see we get 4, 3, 1 and 7 because 6 is on the 3rd index number and we will remove using pop method. Now we remove value from the 3rd index number without using built-in method. We create another array. We use for loop for I in range length of AR. If the value of I is equal to 3, then continue. Else AR2 dot append I. Now print Here are 2. Now run to check. Enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you can see we get 1, 2, 3 and 5. Here we missed 4 because this is on the third index number and we'll remove that number. If you have any question, you can ask me comments. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.